Welcome, I am here at Forestry and Environmental Science. Today I'm here in Forestry Clonal Nursery to show you the importance of tree planting in our community. In a world facing environmental challenges, there is a simple yet powerful solution that can make a significant difference. Tree planting. Today we invite you to join us on a journey to explore the importance of tree planting and its positive impact on our planet.
Planting is not just about putting a seed into the ground. It is act of hope and commitment to the future. By planting tree, we are investing in cleaner air, healthier communities, and a more sustainable world.
These are nature superheroes. They absorb carbon dioxide and greenhouse gas, responsible for climate change and release oxygen, ensuring the air we breathe is clean and fresh. They also provide shade, reduce erosion, and act as natural filters of water.
Tree grow, they provide numerous benefits. They can create habitats for wildlife, improve soil health, and contribute to local economies through sustainable forestry practices. By involving the younger generation, we can still love and appreciate our nature with all our hearts. Tree planting becomes an act of education, connection, and inspiration for a sustainable future.
Planting is not just about planting trees. It is just about planting hope, resilience, and better tomorrow. Join us in this journey of tree planting, and let's create greener, healthier, and more sustainable world together.